Now, regardless of renovate or rebuild, our client wants a pool. Now, I'm here today to check out a pool that's got something a little bit special, and I can't wait to hear all about it. We are seeing a massive shift in pool design these days, where we're moving away from the large scale kidney shaped sort of pool that costs a lot to run, costs a lot to build, and costs a lot to maintain. And for our client as well, they haven't decided what type of pool they're going for, but they know they're looking for something that's quite small and easily maintainable, and this Naked system would be perfect for it.
Absolutely. It's perfect for any size, and the system is really easy for the end user to use.
So Ricki, this pool not only looks amazing, I've heard whispers that there's something really special about it.
Yeah, look, this pool has a Naked Freshwater System on it. So it's a freshwater pool, it's got less chemicals, less maintenance, it's easy to use, and it's got less issues with everything surrounding the pool as well, because you've got different materials, like you've got your glass fencing, you've got timber around here, so you're not getting that salt water splashing, you're not getting the salt water affecting the decking. It's a great system all around.
What we're talking about is swimming in like a beautiful natural stream, that cold, crisp, clean feeling.
Yeah, so when you go for a swim in here, it's literally like being in a natural waterhole. It's a natural system, it's got less chemicals all through it, so you don't get out feeling sticky or icky, and it's just a beautiful, crisp, freshwater feel. It uses copper and silver as the main component to keep that water clean and fresh. So you've got less chemicals, so it has less impact on people with skin conditions. So if you've got eczema or anything like that, the system's perfect for you.
Which is music to my ears, because my daughter actually suffers pretty severely from eczema. So having a Naked system in our pool, I think would be absolutely amazing.
Definitely. You need to talk to the team and get that installed straight away, which is really easy to add onto a pool afterwards as well. So if you're already running a system and you've got a salt chlorinator or anything, it's easy to change out to the freshwater system.
And that's a great point. It is easy to retrofit the Naked system to any pool that's already established.
That's correct.